No, I don't think so. I think we're gonna be good. I think we're gonna be Gucci. All right. What the fuck just happened? I don't even know what happened. So apparently we just bought this. So as luck would have it, today we're hanging out in the garage. We're working on a car, and this wild, exotic, crazy fucking RTR thing gets posted up in our Florida S550 group on Facebook. And I was kind of like, hey, did you guys see that car? It looked kind of cool. Didn't really think anything of it. And then they started posting up information about the VIN and how apparently this car is the car that Vaughn Getting JR commissioned Galpin to build, so that he had an RTR product to display at SEMA and show Ford. So if in the fact that that is accurate and true, we just fucking bought the first RTR 18 Mustang for Parker Performance because of you motherfuckers. Ain't that some shit? Here it fucking is. I don't even know why I bought it. I have no fucking idea. It was these assholes' faults. Every one of these assholes are at fault. Now, it is used. It has 3,700 miles on it. It is a non-blower car. Boo-hoo. We're gonna put the blower on it. That has to happen. It's got the wide body. I mean, I kind of gave you the skinny, but it's got the wide body, right? The over fender kit. These are the actual three-piece, apparently, from what I can tell. Tech 7 forged RTR wheels. It's got 305s out back, 285s up front. Of course, the obligatory 18 rear end, which is probably my favorite thing about the 18 besides the motor. This one has stock exhaust from what I can tell. Does have the RTR deck lid. It's got this little add-on on the PP spoiler, which is pretty dope. This kind of like wicker bill style. It's kind of cool. The car is actually the black. That's actually not a wrap. This is all wrapped. This is actually OEM paint. So yeah, I don't even know what to say or do. Like, I am still not sure this is real. I don't even know. One thing was that the RTR grill appears to have been either gotten hot and damaged or something, because those are a little faded. This side worked perfect, but that side was a little funky. So we're gonna connect with RTR, see if we can't get them to either replace that or warranty it or whatever. God, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know what to do, guys. So, you know, obviously I mod every car that I own. I mod every car that comes to our shop. I mean, I touch everything. Do you touch it? Do you fuck with it? Do you leave it alone? Do you wrap it a different color, and then when you decide to sell it at some time in the future, if I decide to sell it, do you put this back on it and sell it as an RTR car? I have no fucking idea. I don't even know. So these guys over here, right, they were no help. They were definitely making me buy this fucking car. Yeah. So a couple cool things. It is a 10R80 car. It is also a performance pack, which, unbeknownst to them, they thought it was just a regular premium, but it's actually a performance pack premium. It's a 400A, no memory seats, so that's fine.
Rotors too.
Yeah, it does have drilled and slotted rotors. Here, let's take a look around in the interior and exterior and see what we got going on. So a couple things that was pretty cool is it comes with the Galpin Auto Sports original tag. Comes with the RTR floor mats. I guess these are the factory, or maybe these are actually the RTR grills. I'm not certain which would be accurate. I haven't paid enough attention because the 18s we've worked on have had the Roush shit, haven't they?
Some car care.
Oh yeah, it had the original. Oh, you know what? That's for the wrap itself. Yeah. Nice. Okay, so one of the things that happened is while we were here buying it, oh yeah, these are definitely the factory vents. So those other ones must be the RTR vents. while we were here buying it, somebody said that the car has had a severe amount of nitrous ran through it, and that it's had motor issues and this, that, and the other thing. If it has, cool. Good news, it's full fucking warranty, and Ford can replace every ounce of that shit. I don't care. I bought it with a warranty. But I don't see, doesn't look like anything's been done underneath there to me. And one way to tell typically would be that this strut bar would have had where this nut mounts, you would see like multiple removals and such like that. It doesn't appear to have been removed ever. The paint on it fucking mint. So if it has been, cool. If it hasn't, also cool. I give 0 fucks. We're gonna put the Whipple on it and send it. Now it did have a stereo in it apparently, because it's got some kicker wiring here with a block, you know, a fusible link there. So, like, yeah, I don't fucking know, but we fucking own it.
Hell yeah, time to enjoy it.
I can't even fucking fathom this. So I know some of you who are fans of the channel since the beginning with Scarlett, you'll say, what about Scarlett? Fuck Scarlett. Fuck that car. Fuck everything about that car. Fuck EcoBoosts. And look at my shirt. Stop the hate.
He's a 5-point bro now.
I'm a 5-point Brody. It's official. I'm my own 5-point Brody, finally. But no, for real. That car, it has served its time and purpose with us. It's time to move on. We're gonna be trading it in. I'm gonna put it back to stock, and we're gonna send it home. So send it to me. We are in the RTR, riding out. A couple things that I wasn't even aware of for like the 18 and stuff is, you can't really see my finger, but it's over here on the left on the tack. See the orange ring? You can actually change the halo color, so that's pretty cool. This is a full premium performance pack, and I am just absolutely elated. Can't even believe that I fucking bought it still. Just blows my mind. I've driven it, I don't know, 40-ish miles or so, and let's see, everything seems to be, oh geez, you know what happened is they changed the volume control to the left side instead of the infotainment center controls on the left side. So I was using the wrong controls. Gotta come over to the driver's side now, rather the passenger side, geez. Okay, so let's go back and go trip fuel. So this thing's been averaging 15.7 miles to the gallon over the last 1,990 miles. So again, I don't think it had anything crazy ran through it. I'm confident in saying that the car is in really good shape. So I'm looking forward to driving it, owning it, boosting it, enjoying it. Gonna be dark, see if you can see me. So I'm just super stoked. A couple things had to take place for me to get this. They had to agree to give me some extra time to put Scarlett back to stock. They did that. We have, today's Tuesday. So I basically have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so 3 full days to go get the car, bring it back to Florida, put it back to stock. So that'll be interesting. So I won't be doing anything but that for the next 3 days. And then I wanted some specific things with the financing. I didn't want my payment to be a certain number. I wanted to be a certain number out the door. What up, baby boy? What'd you think seeing it rolling? Still think it's a good purchase? Yeah. I'm excited. I still can't even, like butterflies still, man. It's crazy. Impulse buys do that to you though, you know?
It looks so aggressive just driving down the road though.
Yeah.
Like a little lip on the back spoiler, like reflects the lights up.
Really? That's pretty cool. I'm so amped for the kids to see it, dude. Oh man, they're gonna go crazy. Yeah, they're gonna go crazy. We're gonna have to build it on what is it? Forza that he plays? We'll have to have him build one in there. Crazy.
Oh, good though, 60.
60 to the speed limit. It felt great. Yeah, we were just in some back roads, and while I had my seatbelt on and the GoPro wasn't recording, and we went ahead and took it up to the speed limit, which was enjoyable. Car felt so planted. I've never owned a car that felt that planted at that rate of speed, but that was super cool. But so again, so for the idea between the trade-in on Scarlet was, again, I wanted to be at 42 grand out the door, and I knew I had some negative equity, and we had a friend just trade his EcoBoost in, and they gave him 18 grand for his car, which it was a base and had similar miles, and so they offered me 17.5 for the trade-in, and I just told them, I'm like, that's not gonna work. So we wound up getting them to go to basically like 19 grand on the trade-in, and then got them to come down on the price of the car and negotiated some fees, and we wound up settling at 43 grand out the door. I still owed 23,000 on Scarlet, so that was almost $4,000 of negative equity. So between the car, which like I said, they had it listed at 37.8, so 38 grand basically, plus the negative, hold up, ready? Sorry, it was a tunnel. And we lost traction, and I had to get out of it and get back in it. And this tranny, I'm still learning it, so. Anyway, so with everything, like I said, I owed 23 grand on Scarlet, and they gave me basically 19. So that was 4 grand negative, plus the 38 grand for the car. That's 42 grand right there. So I wound up tax tag, title, everything at 43 out the door. Oh man, you know what? Windows open. I don't know how good or bad that audio was. Sorry, I know that the lighting is already shitty enough to have the audio suck too. I apologize, but I'm just excited to get, you know, I'm just excited to share this with you guys, and I am gonna wait to launch it publicly, so I'm not putting this out tonight. We are gonna surprise Sanders with it. He has no idea that we bought this. He'll be coming to work tomorrow, and I'm gonna pull it in the garage in the morning before he gets there, and that way when he opens the garage, when he comes in, he'll see it and he'll freak out. So that's gonna be so cool. But yeah, so we've got to boogie. My wife is currently looking up flights for us to fly to Chattanooga, go get the car and bring it home. All right, so we're home. Car's here. So there's no speculation as to whether or not I was for serious or not. She's home. Car drove amazing. Was very, drove exactly as I expected to be honest. It was quite perfect. Super excited for Sanders to open this garage door tomorrow and freak the fuck out. He's gonna tweak. Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So first thing you're gonna do, actually when you get it, you're gonna have this retaining clip will be on here. You need